Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if you are new here. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I post all sorts of content surrounding lifestyle, fashion, and home decor, and so many more things, a lot of vlogs. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I am actually going to be doing a Nasty Gal haul. Nasty Gal actually sent me a bunch of items, so I will be styling those today for you guys. And also, if you aren't following me on my Instagram, that is always linked in the description box below. Starting off this video, I am actually wearing the first item, and it is this Rolling Stones graphic band tee. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with my band tees. I wear them all the time, and they're just so easy to throw on because you can so casually wear them, or you can definitely dress them up like I have on now. I have them styled with a pair of kind of like a low midi heel. I think this graphic tee can totally be styled up or down, whatever you choose. You could always wear it with some biker shorts and some sneakers, biker shorts and heels. There are so many ways that you can style a simple graphic tee like this one. I believe this t-shirt is actually a dress. Of course, everything, like always, will be linked in the description box below that I show in today's video. So if you are interested in any of these items at all, I will have all of my sizes that I picked out down below. For reference, I am 5'4", and I usually am pretty true to size to a small and a size 4 and 27. Kind of hitting the sizes across the board in all different, what would you say? Numeric measurements, I guess you'd say. So I'll have everything linked down below with all my sizing, and this dress I think I just got in my regular size because it is a dress, it is a t-shirt dress. Now for me, I am on the shorter side. I am 5'4", like I said, so t-shirt dresses, when I see like it says a t-shirt dress, I typically can assume that it's gonna be a pretty short t-shirt dress on me. So either I'll size up, or if I'm getting it, I know I'm not getting it to wear as a dress. I actually do really like it styled the way I have it now, which is styled as a dress. However, I would definitely wear some biker shorts or like some shorter jean shorts underneath, just as like a safety net. You never know what's gonna happen, so you always wanna be cautious of those things. So that's how I would wear this if I were actually like wearing it out. So the next piece is another bathing suit. If you watched my last Nasty Gal haul, I had like Nasty Gal Beachy Collection and Storettes in one haul, but I showed a snake skin print bathing suit, and it was like a bandeau style with a high-rise bottom. So cute. But then I saw this one and I had to pick this one up as well. This one is a little bit more strappy, and you'll see in the try on that it's very strappy, a little bit more strappy than I typically go for. I think this is like my most scandalous bathing suit that I actually even own. But I do have to say, I did get this true to size. I do have to say though, I am not blessed in the chest area, if you know what I mean. So if you are, and if you need that extra support, you're not getting it with this bathing suit. This bathing suit does not come with padding or anything like that. Also, it is very showy, so if you need the extra support or you need that extra coverage, I would recommend sizing up, maybe even 2 sizes if you want it to fit normally, like the top I'm saying. The bottoms on me were a little bit bigger, so that's, you know, an issue because it comes as a set. You can't buy them individually. However, like I said, that's just something to be aware of if you're gonna purchase this, and if you're gonna wear it, it might be a little showy on you, because it was definitely showy on me, and like I said, I am just not blessed in the chest area. But nevertheless, this bathing suit is stunning. I love how strappy it is. The next piece I picked up was this crop top, like super crop top. So I had a really great vision for this top. I wanted to get like some pretty like really high rise jeans or jean shorts, and I figured I'd style this with like pretty high jean shorts or pants, and then like since this is super cropped, you won't be seeing much of my stomach. However, when I tried this on, this is like very cropped. It's actually a cover up for a swimsuit, and I knew that when purchasing it. However, I wanted to wear it as a top. Totally can. I usually don't wear bras with things when I don't have to, and this isn't see-through. Now there is a lighter color, and that probably would be a little bit more see-through, but it's a linen-like material, and it's a little bit more strappy, which is super cute. I just typically do not wear like extremely showy things to go out. I don't like to be uncomfortable, like I feel like I'm going to like slip out of anything, like whether it's my butt or like chest. I just like to be pretty covered up, not like super covered up, but like I don't want to feel uncomfortable because I don't want to have to worry about slipping out of something or whatever. So this is super cute, super strappy, but you'll see how I actually ended up styling it in the styling portion of the video. The next piece is just a simple, basic, high neck, black bodysuit. This is actually a class bodysuit, so that's super nice because ladies, we all know going to the bathroom with a bodysuit is truly a pain. And a jumpsuit and a romper, we love it. We love wearing them, but it is certainly a pain when you're going to the bathroom, especially when you've been drinking. I will say that for sure. But love this bodysuit. I love the material of it. It's kind of like a nylon material, super stretchy, lightweight, and I think this would be really great to style not only in the summer, but you can also totally transition this into the fall with just throwing over a simple cardigan, but I think this will be just nice to have as like a simple basic piece in my closet. So these are actually little biker shorts that I picked out, and they are the most adorable little things. They're just a black and white tie-dye, super trendy, super in right now. However, I will say they're very thin, so would not recommend for working out, would recommend for lounging in, maybe would recommend for like wearing under an outfit like this just as like that extra protection. Maybe wouldn't recommend wearing with like a crop top, and here's why. Again, super thin, but also just like pretty see-through, shows like every little wiggle in the butt, in the thighs, everything. They're not compression by any means. So cute. They're also a little bit big. So I did get my regular size in these, which is a size 4. However, you know, I might have even gone down to a 0 if I wanted them to be like skin tight, like my normal biker shorts I pick up are, if you know what I mean. So love these, and they were so cheap and so affordable. However, like I said, I just won't recommend them for certain activities and certain things. So if you're going to get those, or I don't know, I've never tried any of their other biker shorts, but maybe read the reviews first. 2, maybe just be wary of, they're not gonna be your like athletic biker short where you're gonna be able to go do walks and jogs and yoga in them and things like that. It's probably just not gonna be it for these biker shorts in particular, but they are super cute. So Nasigal just has a lot of really great oversized graphic tees, basic tees, a lot of things that you can just like chill out in, or just pieces that are nice to have on hand just for like, I don't know, going out to brunch or something like that, like throwing on a simple outfit. So this is one of those pieces, again, much like the Rolling Stone shirt. I usually don't gravitate towards shirts with sayings on them unless it's like a band tee, like I said. However, I don't know. I thought this one wasn't too cheesy, and it's honestly my vibe every single Friday, but it's just a beige graphic tee. Also, I just love the beige and the black simple block writing. So it says, I haven't been this excited about Friday since last Friday. I think we all can feel that. We all feel it every Friday, but love this. I believe this is just a regular graphic tee, so I sized up 2 sizes and got a large in this so that it would fit more like a t-shirt dress. I don't believe that it is like quite as baggy as like the t-shirt dress that I have on right now, but I do really like it. I think this will be super cute just to like throw on, for instance, like going to the grocery store, like, you know, it's just something to wear out and about. Or you could just wear it lounging around the house, but it's just nice to have things like this on hand for those type of events. My whole vision with this next piece is, again, I wanted it to be oversized because with flannels or like shirts like this, I don't like them when they look super fitted on. I like them to look oversized because you could always roll up the sleeves and it doesn't give that super fitted look. Also, because if you get it in an oversized size, you can wear it kind of like over a lot of different things. So for example, I wouldn't wear these 2 together, but maybe like the graphic tee that I just showed and this. Since I got the graphic, you could honestly wear this with something more fitted on the inside, but you could wear it over a graphic tee and it's going to look like a cardigan, like a loose fit cardigan. It's not going to be super tight. Also, if you get it oversized enough, now I probably wouldn't do that for this one, although it might make a pretty cute fall look, but if you get something like this super oversized enough, you could also button it up and make it into a dress, or you could even belt it and tie it into a dress. You could do so many different things. This could also be a really cute beach cover-up, but I picked it up more so because I felt like it was totally fall vibes and I could see myself wearing this into the fall because it's very lightweight. So it will just add a little bit of extra warmth, I guess, when the weather starts to cool down, but it's not going to be too hot because it is that super lightweight material. This I am so obsessed with, and it is not only so soft, but it is the cutest thing ever. Like seriously, get me 10 of these in all of the like pastel colors because this is so cute. It comes with this little cardigan and it's the fuzzy material where you can like actually see the fuzz coming off. But the cardigan has pearl details to it for the buttons, and it comes with these really cute shorts too. I can't wait to show you guys it on, but I love this and you guys seem to really love it too when I showed it on my stories. So if I were you, I would definitely pick this up while you can. I have a feeling this will sell out. They probably will restock it, but I think it's actually in collaboration with someone. I don't know exactly who it is, but I don't know if this will stay around forever. So I definitely would pick it up. And again, obviously it's really freaking hot to wear it right now, but when the weather cools down and you can still like, it's nice and cool out, it's a light breeze, it's not too hot, I think this will be something you could totally wear into the fall, even for just like cozy vibes to lounge around in around your house. I might be taking a lake trip or 2 at the end of August / beginning of September. So I think this would be something like to just lounge in around the fire, something like that. So highly recommend this. It is literally the cutest and it's so affordable too, so would recommend picking it up. Lastly, I have another set here. The shorts are actually underneath, but this is, I believe it's actually a pajama set. However, I wanted it just as like a cozy set to lounge around in around the house. And I think it's so cute. It has like a bell-bottom sleeve with kind of like a ruffle cut on the end, and the shorts are also very similar. Now for this, I got true to size, so I got a size 4. However, I mean, the top fits normally as it would. However, the shorts on me, because I have a little bit more of a muscular build, I don't think the shorts were really meant for my body type. They're a little bit tight and they kind of look like compression shorts. I would rather them be like flowy and baggy. So I wouldn't mind having the top be more baggy too. So maybe if I were you and you're also kind of like built like me, I would recommend sizing up in this so that, you know, the shorts aren't like compression shorts on you. However, this is so cute. I got it in like this mauve pink color, and again, this was just super affordable, and these things are just nice to have rather than laying. I literally lounge around in the same sweatpants, hoodies, t-shirts all of the time. So I wanted to get more things like these sets so that I could lounge around in something else and like still look cute, but obviously it takes zero effort to put this entire look together. So highly recommend all of their sets on their website. They have so many different sets. They also have like pant sets too. Those would be perfect for going into the fall season, but would recommend, again, I would just maybe size up if you're built more like me. So that is it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. It truly means the world to me. I'm so grateful for all of you guys that have subscribed. But stay tuned for the next video. I have a lot more hauls coming up in the next few weeks. A lot more exciting partnerships that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So keep an eye out for those, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.